Someone asked me a while back, a couple of years ago, I think it was either Martin or Ian, I can't remember, asked what are the plans for the Patreon group? And I tried to explain that initially it was a way of showing, it was all about videos and trying to create a sort of version of Netflix and all that sort of stuff. But then eventually there was a different direction I wanted to take, and that was to build a community, a community of painters. But not just somewhere where people could share art techniques and painting processes, but somewhere where people could form friendships and bonds, and somewhere where you could share. I think the introduction of the chat pages that Patreon provided was a massive step forward in that. Suddenly there was somewhere where people could communicate between themselves, which is what I'm trying to encourage. So it wasn't just a case of people communicating with me. Members could interact with one another and talk in private if they so wished. And so I think that's why I think it's such a great thing that this week, to my knowledge, Paul became the first member to actually start his own painting group and provide a place where people could not only come together, enjoy their painting and their art processes and teach one another watercolours, but somewhere you could come together and share ideas, not just about art but about life in general, and just help one another. Paul's a vital member of the sort of art and mental wellbeing chat page, and his daily posts are fantastic, and now he's took upon himself to start this group. And I wish him all the best and hope things go from strength to strength. If you do live in the Leicester area and like to attend any of Paul's paintings, then I'm sure he'll put the details of the next painting sessions, or you can just message him directly. In the meantime, it's something I'd like to try myself at some point. The biggest problem I've got is time, and the sort of unpredictable nature of my sort of daily life. I haven't spoken in a while about my friend who's had a lot of issues. I mean, he's been in hospital for 6 months now. He should be coming out soon, he's a lot better. But because of the nature of that, finding time is very, very difficult at the moment, and trying to plan anything is impossible. But hopefully, at some point in the near future, things will change, and I might start looking into forming sort of other group, not just online, but in real life. But that's something for another day. In the meantime, I hope the Patreon community continues to grow. There are a lot of members on here now, so we'll just see where it develops. And hopefully Patreon can continue adding new features that I can bring to the site to make it better and better.